Hello and welcome to Pro Sporting Goods. I'm Otto Geiger, your host for this series. Now recently we were introduced to a new product from our friends at Scandex Industries. It's a gun oil that has some very unique properties, and it makes the perfect product for all your gun lubrication needs. Now, one of the things that this product has is a very high corrosion protection rating, and currently it has over 330 hours of salt spray test without any signs of corrosion on the product being tested. So here we have a Glock that we're ready to reassemble. We've just cleaned it with our favorite cleaning products, and what you're going to want to do is just to pay close attention to the high wear areas to get your lubrication correct, and also to areas that require your corrosion protection. So you do have some springs in here, little trigger mechanism, and these guides that run into the slide are going to require light lubrication only. Now, what I like to do with the slide is not just lubricate within the channels. A little bit of lubrication goes in here, but I also like to apply it to the entire finish of the gun. And the reason for that is you know, we are in Florida, which is a very wet atmosphere. We have a lot of corrosion that occurs on the finishes of guns, so we do like to wipe them down completely, get a nice coat of corrosion protection on the gun, and then you can just wipe this down, and then you get a very, very nice coating on the gun, a very nice finish that is nice to the touch. There's not any grease or any oily film after you've applied it. Another area that we like to use this product on is any barrels that are susceptible to corrosion. You can just take that product and with a rag just apply it nicely to all the surfaces. And again, once we've applied it and then wiped it clean, you again get a very nice surface. And finally, for those of you who shoot an autoloader, this product is very good for cleaning the internals, and I like to use the spray version of gun oil. Now, most of the autoloaders, as you may know, like to run wet, particularly the Berettas in the fab arm. So they like a lot of oil, and what we want to do is take the spray oil and spray all inside the channels, inside the mechanism, and then if you have some compressed air, you can usually blow out any of the excess, or you can take a rag and just remove some of the material from the inside, but allow it to stay relatively wet. When it comes to the trigger mechanism, again, I like to spray the entire trigger mechanism, spray with the oil, and then take a rag and take any of the excess and just shake it off like that. And if you do have some compressed air, you can spray that out a little bit, get rid of any of the pooling that may occur, and you're ready to assemble. The other area that you're going to want to lubricate is this spring mechanisms. Again, this particular gun likes a lot of oil, so just take your gun oil, spray it inside here nicely. Again, take out any of the excess, any of the pooling on a rag, and you're going to be ready to reassemble this product. So there you have it. One product for all your lubrication and corrosion protection needs. You can get this product at Pro Sporting Goods. We carry this in the 1 ounce bottle and also in the 12 ounce spray bottle. Give us a call. You'll love this product. Thank you.